Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Truck drivers' stoppage will force rampant manufacturing industry delays. Many manufacturers produce their goods as parts and elements are delivered. The lack of components will occur within a few hours.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If trucks were stopped for a few days, service stations would completely run out of fuel, ATMs would run out of cash and banks would be unable to process transactions, supplies of essential food and water would disappear, and garbage would start piling up in urban and suburban areas.
Take our lead.
Welcome to the Teamsters Freight Job Board, your online resource for finding a Teamster job. ABF, DHL, YRCW, YRC Worldwide, YRC Freight, Redaway, Holland, New Penn, Penske Truck Leasing, Standard Forwarding.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Without truck drivers, grocery stores and retailers would soon run low on supplies. Food shortages would suddenly be a reality. If the trucking delivery network were interrupted, hospitals, clinics and pharmacies would soon run out of medicine and supplies. The environmental impact could also be rather devastating.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.